Hare Krishna, dear friends. In this video I will show you how to make Radharani skirt pattern. But before showing that, I want to feature Abhyudaya Mataji from Australia, her deities and the dresses and turbans she made for her deities. Well done, Abhyudaya Mataji, good work. I don't like showing Radharani naked in the video, so I will show you the measurements already I've taken. So skirt length, so this will be the waistline, and the skirt length we have to take until her feet are covered. So measure in your deity and take the measuring tape around this place. The skirt length will be this. So for the 7-inch Radharani skirt length, around 13 centimeters. Skirt length 13 centimeters. And waistline width, this place, from this circumference of this waistline. For this deity, 7-inch deity, it is 8.9 centimeters. That's all measurements you need for this kind of skirt. Let's start in the middle. I'm drawing a line. This skirt will have like this 6 pieces. To make it little puffy, like this one, I'll need 6 pieces. That's why the waistline, I have to divide the waist width into 6. 8.9 divided into 6 will be 1.4. Now I'll take this tape, and from the middle I have to before doing that I have to divide it into 2 as well. Let's take it as like 1.5. A 1.5 divided into 2 will get 75 centimeters. So here, this side 0.75, this side 0.75. I have to get this and this. And the skirt length. Skirt length is 13. I'll go one more line here. And I'll unite these lines with this. Then we'll create a puffiness in the skirt. In order to create a puffiness, again, you can decide the puffiness yourself. I want it to be very nicely puffy. So, as you see, I took this much size. From the middle, let's take 2.5 from each side, 2.5 inches from each side. 2.5, here will be 5. So these points I'll unite with the waistline. Some of rule that for the skirt, you have to always do this kind of curve because it won't look nice. Some 1 centimeter or something, you go up and then curve it like this. So this is our pattern. You just cut it and place it on the fabric 6 times, cut it out. Here I have cut it out already. Now I'll show you what else I will do with this fabric, with this pattern. So I wanted to create a skirt with embroidery. I have an embroidery machine, so I created like this pattern. But this one is a little bit bigger than this piece. You know, it comes out from the sides. Whereas I wanted the embroidery design to be inside this. But it's a little bit coming out. So what I will do is, I'll go and take another paper. I'll transfer this pattern into this bigger paper. And I'll take and paint one more. I think I'm gonna add some more. Like I will increase the size of the skirt again. For that I'll glue these papers together. Attach these papers together. And go and paint one more, like draw the skirt again. Now I'll cut it out. This is our pattern. There are 4 pieces. Later I will attach 2 more pieces from one side and I think I will see later. But in this place I want to do embroidery. That's why I need bigger and united piece. So this is a big embroidery set. Now when I cut it out, it will fall into the skirt. I'll go and stitch. I'll put this pattern and mark the places with this thread, just to get the idea where I need to do embroidery. I'm not stitching the pattern into fabric. I'm just marking out with this thread. So do like this all around. And here I marked out. And this is how our skirt will look later. And now I know where to embroider other flowers. For machine embroidery, you need this is a very thin, fine fabric, silk, ahimsa silk, but still you need a backing, like something called a tearaway paper. Without that, the embroidery won't look nice and the machine won't be able to do proper embroidery. First we'll put this and we'll put this skirt. Here I have 2 embroidery machines. One is only sewing and another is sewing and embroidery. And I have here embroidery designs in this USB port, and this is tightly attached to the hood. And I'll select some designs. I have some smaller flowers. I want the flowers to be floating here and there in the air, as if flowers falling from, like as if demigods are throwing flowers. So I want to select some flower which looks like it's falling from the sky. I reduce the size and I have to put in like on the side, maybe down. You can move wherever on this place you want to put the embroidery, you can move it with your finger. So I want it to be here. Now let's start. Okay. So it's asking me 3 colors. First is green for the leaves. Second will be yellow and then blue. But I will change the color later because I don't want to follow what is there in that embroidery. I will create my own colors. For green. For this machine you have to have special thread for embroidery. So I'll select this color as the leaves, for the leaves. Like this. And it's automatic, like it does threading itself. It puts the thread inside the needle itself, which is very easy. Put the needle on, putting the needle down, and I'm starting. On that set. So one color is done. After it's done, machine automatically cuts the needle thread. Just pull it from here, it's already cut. So I'll stop it here. It takes time, that's why I won't record all the process. After I complete all the flowers, I will show you in the video. So after embroidery, it looks like this. There are 6 flowers. And I want to make this big design to fall in the middle. And as you know, we have 6 pieces of this. So if I want to make this in the middle, Then 3 pieces, like 3, 1, 2, 3, should be cut, and the middle one should fall onto this. That's why I'll create a, I will have to attach this one here. So these 3 things will fall in the middle. And there will be one more. I will cut it, half of it, and then attach to both the sides. So that while you're wearing the skirt to Radharani, the back side, open side should fall right in the middle. So let's do it first in the pattern paper. I'll do again same thing like I did with earlier pattern. I'll go through like this and stitch these places, and I'll remove it, and I will continue embroidering this parts.